guys, and I'm here with yet another DIY video, that is the garlic hair oil, which is going to stop your hair fall and also accelerate in your hair growth procedure with its regular use. So let's start with the DIY. This DIY we are going to need only two ingredients, that is some garlic and olive oil. Now firstly we will need 6 to 8 garlic cloves. Pure garlic juice can be sometimes irritating to skin as it is alone a powerful punch, so we opted to mix it with olive oil for its maximum benefits. Also, it also reduces skin irritations on the scalp. You can also use any oil in replacement to olive oil like the mustard, jojoba, almond, coconut, grapeseed, etc., whichever is available at your home. In this method, we are also going to need a mortar or pestle, also called as the Oakley, to crush the garlic pieces into a fine paste. Now let's start with the DIY method. Now what we are going to do here is we are going to transfer all the garlic pieces into the mortar pestle and try to make a paste out of it. Now you can also use a grinder for this, that's completely up to you, but as I wanted some garlic pieces to show when I store it in the bottle, as it looks very beautiful, I opted to crush it. The crushed mixture looks something like this. Now once the garlic pieces are crushed properly, take some quantity of oil in a bowl and transfer all the crushed garlic to the same bowl. Now here we are going to follow the double boiling process. To those who don't know what exactly is double boiling process, we heat some quantity of water on the gas. So I've already put some water on the gas to get boiled, and later when that gets completely boiled or warmed up, we are going to transfer the bowl with the oil into the water so that the oil doesn't get in direct contact with heat. Now keep the flame on medium until you start seeing small bubbles around the garlic. Now once you start seeing the bubbles, just make sure that you lower the flame to sim and let it get heated for about 7 to 8 minutes. Make sure that the garlic pieces doesn't get burned. Once that is done, remove the bowl from the heat and let it cool for about 2 to 3 hours, and then we are going to transfer it into a bottle. Now here I am using a funnel to transfer all the oil into the bottle. Now I have already transferred all the oil into the bottle and just waiting it to drain completely. Now to apply this hair oil, you need 2 cotton pads. Take some oil on the 2 cotton pads and gently apply it over the scalp. Now you also need to remove any tangles if you already have in your hair. Now these cotton pads, press it gently on the scalp. Cover your whole head following the same procedure one by one. Now this is basically going to be a scalp treatment, so make sure you apply it only on the scalp. Also the smell of this hair oil is very worse, so only apply this hair oil if you can sustain the smell of that. The smell is going to remain even if you wash your hair, so if you want, you can add few drops of essential oil to it. But you know guys, no pains, no gains. To achieve something good in your life, you need to strive for that, isn't it? Also ensure that before applying it on your hair, do a patch test of this oil on your skin so that you don't get any infections of it. Also studies have shown that applying garlic juice leads to hair regrowth to the previously bald areas. It not only reduces the bald patches but also increases the hair count numbers. The sulfur and the selenium content in garlic not only replenishes the lost hair but also strengthens the existing hair. The vitamins and the minerals that each garlic clove has can be a natural conditioner to your hair, and it also helps in strengthening the hair. Now coming back to olive oil, it is rich in vitamin A, E and antioxidants. It also helps protect the keratin in hair and also seals in the moisture of the hair. It has several benefits repairing the damaged hair. Applying olive oil to the scalp will prevent dandruff, fungus and other scalp issues that leads to dry, flaky skin. Now after applying, let it rest for about 1 or 2 hours and then you can wash it up. Use this oil once or twice in a week to see astonishing results. If you use this hair oil regularly, you're going to love the results. Please try this at your home and you can see a big difference in your hair quality and quantity. And if you did, then please share your results in the comments down below so that others can do benefit by that. Hope you guys liked the video, and if you really did, then please hit the like button and subscribe to my channel.